Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have OPPO A60 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do it, swipe up the screen and go to the settings application, which is right there. In it we choose mobile network. There we tap on data usage. And now we tap on data usage limit, and there we can set data limits. First step, we set when our cycle starts, maybe first day of each month. In this case we can set daily data usage reminder. We must turn on it. Now we must enter number in gigabytes of megabytes, how many we want our daily data usage. Maybe we set 1 gigabyte. And there we can choose what we get after we use it. Only alert on, we get alert, and our data mobile will be turned off. Confirm all by done. And the same story with monthly data usage. We must turn on it. Then we must enter number, maybe 50 gigabytes. And there we can also turn on data warming, and we can set it, but after how many gigabytes we get warming, maybe 40 gigabytes. And confirm by done. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.